Hi guys. So today I thought I would go to Target. We are going to look around at all the spring decor that is new out, and then I thought we could go to the thrift store and try to find similar items so we could get a nice refreshed spring look on a budget. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, and if you like this kind of video, then please hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and hit that little bell notification, and then we can do more content like this. So my plan is to go to Target, look around, and see what I can find that's similar at the thrift store. I'm pretty sure we can find kind of like items. Home decor doesn't change that much over the years. I feel like you can use and repurpose the stuff that you have at home. You just have to reinvent it or think outside the box. So I hope you enjoy our time at Target, and then I hope you enjoy our time at the thrift store, because I'm excited about this video and I think we are going to have so much fun. While we're at the thrift store, we're going to pick up a couple of items and then we're going to bring it home. Pretty sure we're going to have to fix a couple of things, kind of modify a couple of things to kind of make it more spring-like. But hey, this is stuff that you can do with your own home decor, or go thrifting like I did, grab it, and then make these small modifications as well. So I hope you're excited. So let's get going. Okay guys, it was so packed in there that I could barely get any footage, but we went into Vincent St. Paul's to see if we can't do find some items that we can turn into our Target dupes. So I got 2 lamps, a rug, and a pillow and a basket thing that hopefully we can turn into a basket thing. Okay, guys, welcome back home. We found a ton of stuff that we can use as our kind of Target dupes, dare I say, that we can use for our project. Most of the stuff, well, everything that we got, we have to clean up for sure. And then after we clean it up, we can start doing our DIYs. So stay tuned. Excited. So our second dupe is kind of easy. It was really easy to find. So if you remember when we went to Target, we found all kinds of wicker baskets. And then there was like a vessel shaped wicker base. To St. Vincent de Paul thrift store, we found this kind of basket, and I thought, well, hey, all we have to do is snip these off here and here, and then we would have a basket. So that's what we're planning on doing. Then we have to lighten it up, because I did feel like all the baskets that we saw were very lighter in tone, and this is very dark. But then we lucked out, I think, when we went to the thrift store, when we went to Goodwill down the street. So we actually found a wooden vase. Okay, for this next part, we taken off the handles, and then this particular one had nails in there, so I took that off as well. So again, you can keep it like that, and that's fine, but I kind of want to lighten it up, or show you how to lighten it up. So I just have this container of cashmere, the cashmere color from Dixie Belle. This was a limited time paint, but you can find a similar kind of burlap beige paint anywhere, a hardware store, anything. This is just what I have on hand because it is snowing outside. Oh, and then the all essential coffee you'll need. And now we're just going to dry brush it onto here. We don't want to cover it up completely. I just want to lighten it up. Very light amount. Tab it off. I'm just dry brushing it. You can do this to wooden baskets that you feel are in this darker color. See how it's lightening it up here versus here. And when it dries, I'll be closer to that more lighter wood look. I'm going to finish the rest. Stay tuned. I'll be back in 1 minute. Here.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips.
So, my thoughts on this project. I had fun. I had so much fun that I think that we are going to do a little series on this channel, a little mini series about going to the stores and trying to find the duplicate products at thrift store. It's not going to be the same, but it can be similar. So that way you can decorate on a budget. All right, guys, I hope you had as much fun as I did going to Target and then going to the thrift store and trying to get some duplicate items. If you liked our vases, please comment down below. In fact, comment down below what you want me to try to duplicate next, which store, which item, and I will do my best to do so. In addition, please hit the subscribe button and that little bell notification, and I will see you in the next video, which is going to be so much fun. Bye for now.
All in, I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. all going